Hey, this is Derek from Kikfit, and this is the Become Your Own Gym series. Today you're going to learn how to use the stick to get a release program for your whole body. That is getting rid of toxins, lactic acid, and trigger points to get more circulation for faster recovery and better performance. So here we go. Beginning first with your quadriceps, extend the leg, pushing it up and down all the way around all three angles of the quadriceps. Moving down to your shins on both sides, and then into the hamstring, lifting the leg up, pulling the stick up as you relax the leg onto the actual apparatus, allowing the release. Into your calf on both sides. Obviously you would do both sides equally. Place that into your low back, releasing the back on both sides. If you stand up, you can actually access the glutes on both sides as well. From the back here, I place into my forearm and get my mid back. If I bend forward, my upper back. From here, I will place the stick into any chair that's got these little arms here. Brace it against my arm to work my triceps. And when I turn, it's going to get my upper back and my lats. So on the other side, same thing, I secure it to get my arms on the side and turn, mid back, upper back. From here, I'll get the side of my neck. The other side of my neck. I'm going kind of fast here, but you actually want to take your time as you do this. You can get your forearms, your biceps, forearms, triceps. So these are a few things that you can do to get the release and the same effects that a massage therapist might give you using the simple stick to become your own gym anywhere, anytime.